Very great morning, everyone. How are you? Dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important chapter of 9th standard, and the chapter name is Force and Laws of Motion. So, firstly, we discuss what is force. But a force is a push or pull which changes or tends to change the position of an object. This is a picture in which the two boys are pushing a huge object. We can see from here, this is a huge object and these two boys are pushing this huge object. It means that these two boys are applying a force on this object. This is the pics of very famous scientist Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton is the personality who have formulated the laws of motion. And here firstly we discuss the concept of inertia. This is very important concept. In other words, we can say that inertia is the backbone of the laws of the motion. So let's see what is inertia. Inertia is the inability of a body to change its position, and its position may be state of rest or state of motion. What is inertia? Inertia is the inability of a body. This is the inability of the body. Body is not competent to change its position, and the position may be state of rest, state of motion, and inertia is the inherent property of the body. देखो बेटा, जब बॉडी अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज नहीं कर सकती है, इट मींस दैट स्टेट इज नोन एज द इनर्शिया. सपोज दैट अ चेयर इज lying in the room and the chair is not competent to change its position. It means that is the inertia of the chair. So inherent inertia is the inherent property of the body. Inertia जो है ये बॉडी की inherent property है, ये कभी उससे अलग नहीं हो सकती. That makes it opposes any force that would cause a change in its motion. अगर हम बॉडी के ऊपर कोई फोर्स लगाते हैं और वो उसके मोशन को अपोज करने की कोशिश करे, उसके रेस्ट को अपोज करने की कोशिश करे, उसमें चेंज लाने की कोशिश करे, इट मींस दैट इज नोन एज द इनर्शिया. वो क्या है? इनर्शिया. इनर्शिया इज द इनहेरेंट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द बॉडी दैट मेक्स इट अपोज एनी फोर्स दैट वुड कॉज ए चेंज इन मोशन. मीन जब भी बॉडी के ऊपर कोई फोर्स लगती है और उसकी पोजीशन को चेंज करने की कोशिश करती है, तो वो उसको क्या करता है? अपोज करता है. नेक्स्ट, टाइप्स ऑफ इनर्शिया. In the types of inertia, firstly we discuss the inertia of motion. Simple सी बात है, the inability of a body to change its state of motion is called the inertia of motion. जब बॉडी अपनी मोशन की पोजीशन को चेंज नहीं कर सकती है, इट मींस क्या है? उसको हम बोलते हैं inertia of motion. I am just going to giving you a very common example. Whenever the passengers are traveling in a bus, and whenever a driver of a moving bus suddenly applies the brake, then all the passenger of the bus falls in the forward directions. All the students travel in the bus. Whenever they go their homes in the bus, whenever they are traveling in the school bus also, they have noticed that whenever the driver suddenly applies the brakes, all the passenger falls in the forward direction. This is because of the fact that whenever driver applies the brake, then lower part of our body comes in the state of rest, but upper part of the body tries to be remain in the state of motion due to inertia of motion. I am just repeating again. Whenever driver suddenly applies the brake, then the lower part of our body comes in the state of the rest, but upper part of the body due to inertia of motion tries to be remain in the state of the motion, and hence we fall forward. Let's see here this one. Whenever this truck suddenly stops, you can see from here, this truck suddenly stops, the person which stands on the truck falls in the forward direction. This is due to inertia of motion. Again you can see. Next, inertia of rest. This is the inability of a body to change its state of rest is called the inertia of rest. Whenever body is unable to change its state of rest, that is called the inertia of rest. For example, whenever suddenly start moving, the passenger falls in the backward direction due to inertia of the rest. But these are the some very common example from our daily life. As when you are sitting on a bus and the bus is also in the standing mode, but whenever driver suddenly start moving bus, then the passenger falls in the backward direction. This is because of the fact that whenever bus is in the state of the rest, all the passengers are in the state of the rest, but whenever the driver suddenly start moving the bus, then what happens? Whenever driver suddenly start moving the bus, the lower part of your body comes in the state of the motion, but upper part of the body due to inertia of rest tries to be remain in the state of rest, and hence we fall in the backward directions. Next, a very common example. When we shake the branches of a mango trees, then mangoes fall down due to inertia of the rest. Okay, because this is a very common experience that everyone had done. Whenever we shake the branches of a mango tree, then mangoes fall down and branches comes in the motion. It means that whenever we shake the branches, then branches comes in the motion, but the mangoes due to inertia of rest tries to be remain in rest and hence fall down. Let's see from here. This we see that this is a coin which is placed on the cardboard, and then when the cardboard is given a gentle push, this coin falls in the water. This is due to inertia of the rest, because whenever we suddenly push this cardboard comes in the motion, but the coin due to inertia of rest tries to be remain in the state of the rest and hence fall down. Next is inertia of direction. The inability of a body to change its direction is called the inertia of direction. For example, our protection through umbrella, the raindrops falling vertically downward cannot change their direction of motion, so cannot better when umbrella is up. This is a very common experience. Whenever we hold an umbrella in the upward direction, then the rain falling on the umbrella cannot better. Means this is because of the fact that we have utilized the umbrella in the direction of the rain, because rain cannot change its directions. So these are some examples. These are related to the inertias. Next, now based on our discussion, we are going to discuss here Newton's first law of motion. What is Newton's first law of motion? Newton's first law of motion states that a body will remain in the state of rest or motion unless it is compelled by some external force. In other words, I can say that if a body is in the state of rest, then it will remain in the state of rest, or if a body is in the state of motion, then it will remain in the state of motion unless it is compelled by some external force. That's why Newton's first law of motion is known as the law of inertia. So, dear students, in this lecture, we have discussed about the inertia, we have discussed about the types of inertia, and after that we have discussed the Newton first law of motions. And I hope कि आपको जो that the things that we have discussed here, you are fully got understand with these things. Thank you. Have a nice day.